bias definition, bias in a sentence, bias pronunciation, bias meaning. Welcome to another research paper word. American pronunciation of bias. Bias. By us. Bias. Bias as a noun means a preference or tendency to one of the choices or one of the possibilities. Common usages in academic writing: a bias against, a bias towards, a bias in favor of, a political bias. Example sentence: bias noun. There was evidence of bias against foreign applicants. The common academic writing variation is unbiased, adjective. An independent commission was assigned to the project to ensure the management was unbiased. Please write a sentence using bias in the comment section. I will read it and reply. Now you can use bias confidently in your research papers. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next research paper word video.